JCID Tag-on Wide-Angle Camera Repair FPC. Easily fix unavailable camera and pop-up problems after replacing camera. Cautions. Please check whether the V1S Pro has sufficient power before operation. Whether the automatic shutdown time is appropriate. Keep the V1S Pro connected to the internet. Stay connected to the phone. Buckle the adapter on the V1S Pro. Start up V1S Pro. Connect V1S Pro with mobile phone through USB cable. Click Trust on mobile phone. With original camera whose data can be read, Step 1. Unbind by reading code. Buckle the removed original camera. On the corresponding port of the adapter, click Detect and Read. When it shows Camera Data Read Success, click Cloud Unbind. It shows as Data Backup Succeeded. Remove the original camera. Step 2. Install FPC. 12 Series FPC Installation Method. For more instructions for FPC installation method, please search JC Programmer on YouTube or check on JC official website https://www.jcprogrammer.com videos. Step 3. Cloud Burn. Buckle the camera with JCID Tag-on Camera FPC. On the corresponding port of the adapter, click Detect and Read. To identify the FPC info, click Cloud Burn. The cloud data is named after the getting time by default. Select the data to be written. Click Select. Click OK. To start writing data. When it shows Write Success, remove the camera and install it in mobile phone to check. With original rear camera whose data can't be read, Step 1. Unbind by scanning QR code. Click Scan Bind. Scan the QR code generated by V1S Pro. With another mobile phone, click Start on the unbinding page. Scan the QR code on the back of the original camera. When it shows Unbind successfully, data has been backed up to cloud. Get a new camera and install the FPC to burn data. Next is the operation for repairing without original camera. First, it needs to be unbound. We can dismantle NAND and unbind with P13, unbind with V1S Pro or V1SE without dismantling. Dismantle NAND and unbind with V1S Pro plus NAND module. Or unbind by jailbreaking with JBox or the jailbreak tools of the third party.